Hi guys, and welcome to my the English has remixed itself. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming by. If you have been here before, what up? Thank you for coming back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to press that subscribe right down there somewhere, and also feel free to what was I gonna say? That's it. I was gonna say, press that notification button right there, so that you know whenever I'm on. You know what I'm saying? Anytime I've created a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are still being very wisdomic. I'm joking. Being smart, and not even smart, but just being wise in your choices when you're going out, because boy, I'm about to go out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going for some dinner with my friends, you know what I mean? Well, not dinner with my friends, dinners at my friends, but we bought from some delicious takeaway food that I've had before. I'm gonna go and chop it again, you know what I mean? But hope you guys are good. If you'd like to see how I did this very quick look, because I'm in a rush, please feel free to continue watching. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I still have my online classes, taking a few clients here and there. I'm not completely fully back in force, but I am taking a few clients here and there. I have a few weddings coming up, yeah, just feel free to contact me via any of my social media handles. My social media handles is the same everywhere. It's Azamai MUA Beauty. You can add me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, add me on Twitter, add me on, or Twitter is Azamai MUA, but TikTok is Azamai MUA Beauty. So everything is Azamai MUA Beauty, apart from Twitter, which is Azamai MUA. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go because I'm already in a rush. I'm gonna take a few pictures, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care, stay blessed, bye. Hi guys, so let's get into it. So I first started off with Mirror Skin Prep, and this is a toner that requires no primer or anything else on your face. I do sometimes put a moisturizer on when I'm using it, but it's literally when it's really hot and I want my makeup to stay on, that's when I'll only use that. I would really not suggest you use it every day, but in really hot weather when you want your makeup to stay on, that is what I would use, and it really does work. It kind of tingles, then it goes really dry, and then that's that really. And then obviously, as per usual, I'm carving out my brows as I do per usual. Yeah, and then I used a bit of I used my concealer to carve them out and make them look cleaner. And obviously, as you know, that I do go over my brows now at the end, so I don't really concentrate too tough on them. I just want to create the shape that I want and then continue basically. So then I use the same, the concealer that I usually use, and then I use the foundation that I was going to be using, which was, I think I used Maybelline 362 in shades Matte&Poreless as a foundation today. And then I used the same concealer to conceal my eyes, and what that does, I think I've said this before, it just gives you an even color on your eyes. It allows the shadow to stick to something. I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette first. I use the vibrant pink in that, and then I use the lighter pink, and then I use that shimmery pink as well. And most of the time I was using my fingers, but I do sometimes go in with my brush just to blend it out a bit more. Then I use the is that the purple palette? I forgot what it's called now. Violet's palette. And I don't know if you can call this a halo. I don't know what I was doing, because I was trying to hurry up, and initially I was meant to be doing a natural look, and as per usual, my natural looks always come out with colour, which wasn't the case meant to be. So I don't know what I was doing. I was just doing some sort of a halo-y type of look. I'm just and then I used the darker mattified purple, and I don't know when I came up with this idea to blow it out and let it kind of be like a wingy type ting. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know, but came out okay, so I left it as it was, basically. Then I just blended everything in place, more or less, and then I used my Crane Case palette, the brown in that, to smoke my to clear, what's the words, to smoke out the, well, blend the harsh lines. I still felt I had harsh lines, so I felt I'll use that brown. Then I used my Amore eyeshadow liquid liner, and then I just blew it out at the end with the purple that I was using. So I didn't do like a proper wing liner. Like I said, it was like the purple was the wing liner, if that makes sense. Then I went in with my Juvia's Place concealer. I just used my hands to pat everything in place. Actually, I didn't even use, did I use? Yeah, I used my hands for most of it. I was in such a rush, I couldn't be bothered to use a brush, because I feel like, well, I did to blend it in place, but generally I used a brush, used my hands. As you can see, I just put a little bit of foundation in my hands, and then I just rubbed it all over my face. I did do the underpainting technique, so I did cover the concealer with the foundation, as you do, or as the underpainting technique would have you do, should I say. And yeah, I just patted everything in place, and that was really it. I just wanted to be as quick as possible. I was running so late. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just trying to pat everything in place, make sure you can't see where the foundation starts and it ends. And as you can see, I then used my my Revolutions Pro CC powder in Warm Golden. You saw me initially before that just pulling out that purple a little bit more to create more of a wingy type tingling. So yeah, I'm just setting all of my concealer in place. I don't know why I done my chin. I never do my chin because I feel it looks silly these days, and I've never done it in my other thingies, but I don't know why I did it in this. And then I used the dark CC Revolutions Pro powder as well to blend out everywhere, or to set everywhere else, up my nose and my cheeks, my chin, my four sides of my forehead, kind of like ting-a-ling-a-ling, as you can see it. And I just went into my hairline to make sure you can't see where, you know, my powder starts and my skin starts, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just blending everything in place. And I think I then went in with my my Revolutions Pro Glow palette in, I think that's dark or medium. I'll have to check the video again. I didn't read what I just put. But yeah, to contour. So I use that to contour real quick, just to bring back a bit more definition into my face, highlighting highlights where your face would normally look lighter in the sun, should I say, and contouring is where it would normally look darker in your natural light, if that makes sense. So it's just accentuating it. Yeah, and then I used my Anastasia Dip Beverly Hills in dark brown dip brow to well, carve out my brows properly, basically, or not properly, but just define them a little bit more. I still need to be able to do that completely at this time, as opposed to do the pencil in the beginning and ting-a-ling. But anywho, then I use my Morphe mattifying spray, and then I used my Pat McGrath, I forgot the palette, but yeah, I use it for my highlighter. I'll put it in the description box what it's called. I don't know, is that the submersive one? It's either Sublime or Submersive, I can't remember, but yeah, I'll put it in the description box. And yeah, I'm just defining my, or highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And as per usual, I'll then go over it with my foundation brush just to make it more blended, if that makes sense. And then I use a little bit on my brow bow as well. And then I blended it out properly so that you can't see where it starts or where it begins. Okay, then I use my Bella blush by Juvia's Place just to bring a bit of warmth back into my cheeks. Blended it out a little bit again. And then I just went in with the lighter purple, the lilac, I think that color is called, in the Violets palette to define my tear ducts. And then I went in with my Rimmel Miraculous Eyebrow Pencil. And then I basically just smoked out the lower lash with the mattifying brown purple that I had initially used, and then the fuchsia pink that I used as well for my lids. So that's what I do there. And then what did I do after that? Oh yeah, and then I thought I wanted a bit more of a shimmer in my tear ducts. So I used this loose pigment. Forgot what it's called. I'll put it in the description. And then I set my face again. And then I used mascara. My Kat Von D mascara, just to blend my lashes and my lower lash as well. Then I used my Maybelline. I forgot the color. It's a Maybelline lipstick. And then my beloved Makeup Revolution unicorn gloss that I thought was discontinued, and I found it and I bought about 5 of them. So I've got them back. Then I used my Maybelline 24 hour stay in Rebel, I think that color is, just to line my lips. A little bit more lip gloss and tingling, and then I lined it a little bit more, and I think that was it. Once I'd done that, I thought, yeah, I'm happy with this. I can rock this. Yeah. And that was it. Finito. So yeah, guys, that was the finished look. I hope you like it. Guys, I keep on forgetting. When all this editing is editing, I forget to say things. Listen, comment, like, share, subscribe. Share and share and share and subscribe. Subscribe and comment and share and subscribe. Okay? You can catch me on all different social media websites, sites. It is as a My MUA Beauty for all of them. And these are a few pictures that I took on the day. I went to my friends for dinner, to have dinner with my friends. And so yeah, I took a few pictures. That was the look that I wore. The jumpsuit is from Pink Clove, I think it is. And my shoes are from everything5pound.com. You know what I'm saying? You buy it low, but you wear it high. You know what I'm saying? And my friend took this picture. Kudos to her. She's done a good job with that one as well. And yeah, that was it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye.